Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use PayPal to make payment for products on AliExpress. So if you are trying to buy a product on AliExpress, or for example you are into dropshipping and you prefer to make payment with PayPal on AliExpress but don't know how to do it, so in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. Now, one of the reasons why you might not see the PayPal payment option when you are trying to check out on AliExpress is because of the country you are shipping the product to. So the PayPal payment option is limited to some certain location. So for example, you are trying to ship your product to US, Canada and few other countries, PayPal payment option is going to pop up. But if not, you're not going to see the PayPal payment option. So let me show you an example so you can see how this is done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to category here, then I'm just going to look for a random product that I want to buy. So for example, let's assume I want to buy a consumer electronics here. So I'm just going to scroll down, then choose a random product. So let's assume I want to buy this. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on buy now. So as you can see now, the PayPal payment option is not available. So we only have card payment option for me here. Now the reason is because my address is set to Lesotho, as you can see right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to change the shipping address to United States. All right, so after that it's going to reload and we're going to see what's going to come out. So as you can see now, the PayPal payment option have just popped up. So when I click on PayPal here, it's going to affect the checkout. So as you can see now, I can now make payments with PayPal on AliExpress. So all I have to do now is to click on PayPal. When I click on PayPal, it's going to redirect me to where I can actually make payments. All right, so basically this is how you can use PayPal to make payment on AliExpress for any products you are trying to buy on the platform. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.